Good morning. I'm Ms. Hillis. I'm your advisory teacher. I'm sorry I'm not here to meet you in person, but I'm going to go ahead and walk through the steps that you need to take today to complete today's activity. In the future, when we meet for advisory, we will be meeting here and hopefully we'll meet together on WebEx, but I'll have more information about that later. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to your class links page, which looks like this. And on this page, you're going to click on the tile that says EverFi. And inside of this tile, you will see that you've already been enrolled in a course. And the course is called Mental Health Basics. So you'll click on the course, and then it'll automatically go to your individual page and your assigned class, and you'll begin the module. When you start the module, you need to do Todd's story first, and then from there you'll just continue. This is a self-paced online course, so you can do it at your own pace, but it must be completed during advisory today. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to meet you guys in person at our next advisory meeting. Have a great day.